Hi, welcome back to Barehand Theory. So today I'd like to do a lesson on notes on the staff or the stave and the various clefs that are used in music. So the stave or the staff is just the 5 lines that music's written on. So the treble clef is written like this. And that is the clef that's generally used, say, in piano music for the right hand, not always, but most of the time. And of course in other instruments too, they also use the treble clef. And the bass clef, written like that, that one is used in the left hand of the piano most of the time, again not always, and of course many other instruments use that one too. So the notes in music just go through the alphabet from line to space to line to space, only as far as G. In the treble clef, the bottom line would be an E, and then you go through your alphabet: F in the space, G on the line, A in the space there, and then it's B, C, D on that line, E in the space, and then the top line is F. And of course you could go to G above the top line and D below the bottom line. For the bass clef, what you can do is you can just take the treble clef notes and move them down a couple of steps. So the second line, G, would actually become the bottom line. So that would be the G. And then the same applies to the spaces. So the second space, A, would be the bottom space there. Again, you're going back to A in your alphabet. So it's G, A in the space, then B, C in this space, D, E, then on the line is F, G, and then the top line is A. Something people do like to do to remember these quite often, certainly at the beginning, is to use certain words just to help them. And this can be useful. I think long term it's probably best to try and memorize the letters and where they are. But things like in the treble clef, every green bus drives fast for the lines. And the spaces spell out the word face, F-A-C-E. And the similar ones for the bass clef. But as I say, long term, probably best to try and memorize them and think about where those notes are in relation to your instrument, really. Yes, if you'd like further information on this topic, there's a downloadable PDF on the website, barehandmusic.co.uk/tutorials. You can also get a free PDF of note lengths and basic time signatures if you sign up to our mailing list. The link's down below in the description. And also, if you'd like to subscribe to this channel and give this video a like, that would be really helpful. So hopefully I'll see you in a future video, and thanks a lot for listening to this one. Cheers.